At 3CIR we offer a range of short face-to-face courses from our main office based in Brisbane. Many of these courses will equip you with practical skills that are best taught in a classroom setting. These courses can range from 6 hours to 2 weeks and will help you get qualified in a range of useful skills. So let's take a look at what courses you can enroll in. We offer face-to-face training in a range of areas, including first aid, security and white card. Our first aid courses range from a few hours for CPR training, up to 2 days with our advanced first aid qualification. If you're looking to enter the construction industry anywhere in Australia, you'll need a white card qualification. Our course will help you learn all the safety requirements on a job site to help you reduce your risk of injury. Finally, our longest face-to-face course is our Cert 2 in Security Operations. This qualification runs for approximately 2 weeks and will help you start your career in the security industry. Our Brisbane-based facility provides all the amenities, provide everything you need to help you learn at your best. Our central city location in Bulimba is easily accessible via public transport and is located 200 metres from the Bulimba ferry. If driving, we also have free on-site parking with plenty of street-based car parks available. Shops and cafes are only a short walk away and accessible during study breaks. We also have free tea, coffee and light refreshments available. We make face-to-face training as easy as possible so you can get qualified quick and get back to work. To reduce time spent in the classroom, some courses may require you to complete learning modules online prior to the commencement of the certification. We want to see you utilizing your skills as soon as possible, and this allows us to focus on the practical skills in person. Once completing your course, you can expect an electronic copy of your certificate to be emailed within 2 days, followed by a hard copy version posted to your address. Check our website for class times and reach out if you have any questions. If you're looking to train a large group of people at your workplace, we can also arrange for this to happen. Contact us for more information.